friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I managed to do my 6 feet in braids. And if you're a beginner, this video is for you, so please watch this video to the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, so anytime I upload a new video you will always get a notification. My hair is washed and moisturized. I put it into 6 pack just to make it easier for me to work with and keep a clean path. I'm going to be using 2 packs of pre-stretched extension, and this is color 1. With this one you don't need to cut and stretch the end. This is ready for you to use and it will make your work easier. I will apply some edge control to make the hair flat and get it as smooth as possible. Part out a small piece of hair at the beginning and split it into 3, just as if you're doing a single braid. After taking a small section of hair, I will braid it 4 times before adding my first piece of extension. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will take my first piece of extension, which will be the smallest piece, and place it in front of my middle finger, just like that, and hold it with my ring finger. I will put the loose hair under my pointer finger and pick a loose hair and braid it 2 times. Pick a loose hair, add it to the strand that is going through next, and braid it 2 times. Braid it 2 times. Take a loose hair, place it in front of your middle finger, hold it with your ring finger, put the extension under your pointer finger. Take a loose hair and add it to the strand that is going in next and braid it 2 times. Add that and braid it 2 times. And now you can start adding a bigger size of extension. To the back of the hair, it can be a little bit of struggle because the hair becomes larger and tangled. If that happens, you can always use your brush or oil to detangle the hair and apply your shining jam and continue braiding. And always make sure to hold your hair tight when you get to the back of the hair, not too tight to hurt your client, but always make sure that your braids are tight so you don't get a loose braid. Continue braiding, and when you get to this point you can turn the braid over and continue braiding just like this. And when you get to the end of the braid, you can see that the ends are not equal. Don't worry, you can always borrow from each of the strands, add it to another, and that is how you'll be borrowing from each of the strands to another until you finish braiding. Or you can tie a knot. Right, because the hair is so long, I'm going to be supporting the hair with my lips and continue braiding. And when I get to those points, I will borrow from each of the strands to another and keep braiding until I get to the end of the braids. Just like that, borrow from each of the strands. And continue braiding. Or you can tie a knot. And this is my feed in braid. Now I'll be working on my second section. Make sure to use your edge control on the roots to keep the hair flat and smooth before starting your braid. Because my hair is short here, I'm going to be adding a small piece of extension to my hair and braid it 4 times. Now I will take my first piece, which will be the smallest piece, and place it in front of my middle finger and braid, hold it tight and braid 2 times. 1, 2. Take the loose one and put it under your pointer finger and braid 2 times. 2. Take a loose piece, place it in front of your middle finger and hold it with your ring finger and put it under your pointer finger and braid 2 times. 2. At this point, you can start adding a bigger size of extension. You can also use your shining jam to detangle your hair. A bigger size of extension and keep braiding. Take the loose one, hold it tight and put it under your pointer finger and braid 2 times. Take the loose one, put it under your pointer finger and braid it 2 times. 1, 2. Continue braiding, and when you get to the back, always hold it tight and continue braiding. When you get to the back, it can be a little bit of struggle because the hair will become larger and tangled. You can always do that by brushing it and adding your shining jam to smoothen the hair and continue braiding. And this is the method you use throughout the braid. Finished. I'll finish braiding it and I'll put the ends in hot water and I will come back to show you the final look. Thank you for watching and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you always get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Thank you and I will see you in my next one. Bye.